If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a quick recipe, lamb brain fry. So firstly chili powder, then half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt for taste. And now add this to a pan and add about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and fry it until it turns golden. And now when it is fried, take a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Take about 4 to 5 garlic cloves and crush them. Slice the onions. Here we have used 2 big onions. Adding salt for the taste, and now chopping 1 chilli and 2 tomatoes. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of Garam Masala. Saute them well. Now add the fried brain and mix well. Add handful of coriander leaves and close the lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally add the curry leaves.